Okay, we are in TalonNet right now and looking for the math resources site. I have it up on the tab on mine, but that's just because I put it there. So I want to make sure that first of all you have the site. So if your mathematics resources site isn't up at the top like mine, please go to more sites first and make sure you see that you can scroll down over here. And as you scroll down, and even if you scroll down, you should see there's a Math SLO site as well that you should have access to as well. Some of these you will not have access to, but please scroll down, see if your Math Resources site is in here as well. If it's not in the site list, what's probably happened is that you haven't set up your site to make it visible. So here's the worksite setup on the left-hand side. Actually, I want preferences. So here under preferences, up here on the left-hand side, over here on the left-hand side, these are all the tabs that will appear at the top of your screen. So notice these are the same as the ones up here on the screen. And then the active sites are the ones that appear under the more sites. So if you still don't see your Math Resources site, make sure that you look over here in the archived sites and again scroll down and you may find the Math Resources site over there. To move a site, you just grab it, I think select it, and just drag it over. If you want to move it back to an active site, if you want to move it over to the tab, you just move it over there and you let go, and bam, it's now part of your toolbar. Okay, so try to find the Math Resources site and do that. Worst case scenario, archive mine again. Worst case scenario, especially if you're a newer faculty member, it's possible you might not have been granted access to the Math Resources site. So we'll make sure you send me an email and check for that. Okay, thank you. Let me know if you have any more questions. Bye-bye.